This is how to install Adobe Suite on a Department of Education laptop or a BYOD device in a state school in Victoria, Australia. All right, so here we go. So you go and do a Google search for Adobe Cloud download, and here we can see that this URL here is correct. So this one is creativecloud.adobe.com. So this here is a subdomain of Adobe, so we know it is legit. So we go over here and we download it. Now I've already got mine downloaded, so I'll just describe to you what's going to occur. Yeah. So all students in Australia have free access to Adobe Suite. Yeah, and that's a couple $100 a month that you spare in subscription costs. So here, what you do is you download the Creative Cloud. Okay, yep. And it's downloading it now. Okay, there we go, downloading it. Cool. It's only an installer program. So this is on the Mac. On the PC, it'll download an exe file, an executable file, and it'll also do a very similar thing. Once it finishes downloading, you can click on it. Yes. And it's going to open up, on the Mac, it opens up an installer folder. You double click on this, and it does the installation. Similar thing on a PC. PC, it's going to warn you, would you like to download this potential malicious software? It's all good, it's Adobe Suite, okay? So you approve it, yes, I do agree. And then it's going to install the Creative Cloud, okay? All right, after that, you're going to end up having this little icon on the top of your screen for Mac users. On the PC side of things, you're going to end up right across in your taskbar. You know how you've got those little things of you connected earbuds and USB devices and stuff like that? It's on the bottom right-hand corner where the clock is, yeah? So you'll see it in there. You need to click on it, expand it out to see that Creative Cloud icon, and you can open it up. So you see this if you've logged in already. But what you need to do first of all is it's going to ask you, can you please log in with your Adobe Creative Cloud account? You don't have an account yet. You need to type in your EduPass credentials. Yeah, so for those who are at my school know what the EduPass credentials are. Same thing as you apply for, let's say, logging on to the school's Google account or Google Classroom account, those same things. Is that cool, everyone? After that, what I want you to do is I want you to download. So what it says here is, I believe it says install. Does it say install? So this would say install. So click on install for Adobe Photoshop, install Adobe Illustrator. And for those who want to get more advanced, which is a really good program, is Adobe InDesign. Okay, all right. So these are the two programs that we need to use at the moment for what we want. Is that cool? Once it downloads, it's going to take some time for it to download. All right, so if you are almost at the point to scan in your work, do this right now, yeah? Install it. So while you're waiting for it, you can finish off your 2-point perspective for your poster, for the assets of your poster, yeah? And by the time you're ready to go, you've got it installed in your computer. Is that cool? I do recommend you to use the school internet access to download this. Don't use mobile data because it's going to suck it all up. Okay? I think Photoshop's several gigabytes, yeah, alone. Okay? All right. So once that's done, I'm going to open up my stuff in Adobe Illustrator. So this is Adobe Illustrator right here, default view. Okay, and you go over and there's all these presets. I'm going to go to File, New, and I'm going to select A3. Okay, is that cool? But if you don't see that, this is under Recent. What I want to do is I want to make sure that the width is set up as being 297 millimeters. So obviously you select millimeters. Height is 420 millimeters, which gives you your A3 size page. Don't worry about bleed. Don't worry about anything else. Oh, select CMYK color as well. And everything else is as it is. Is that cool? Don't worry about artboard amounts and stuff like that. You're just going to have one artboard. Okay. And click on create. Cool. And that is your A3 page. Right. That is it for this one. I know it's simple, but that is it. That's how you install Adobe Illustrator, free for students. You got that right to the end of year 12. And then when you go to uni, you'll probably have access to it again as a uni student. Is that cool, everyone? All right. Done and dusted. Please like and subscribe. Catch ya. Bye.